Kawasaki Ninja ZX10R, unregistered 2013 model. Aggressive look from the front side, an attractive look from the back side as well. 17 liters fuel tank with very classy cuts. 1 person sitting capacity. 1000 cc. 4 cylinders engine with EFI technology. Tubeless tires with fine condition of its grips. Dual disc brakes. 135 mm ground clearance. Aftermarket crash guards with footrests and the exhaust. 6 gears transmission. Key of the bike. An attractive presentation of its speedometer. Watch full video. Link is in the description.